web view. U.S. Vice President says she will not be silent on Gaza suffering while telling Netanyahu to get ceasefire deal done. Harris faces the task of taking her own stance on Israel. How Kamala Harris's warp speed campaign launch has changed the 2024 race. Hear what VP Harris says she told Israel's Netanyahu. Pelosi blasts Netanyahu's speeches, by far the worst presentation of any foreign dignitary.
तलाल चौधरी ने कहा कि हुकूमत का फर्ज बनता है वो तमाम टेक्निकल चीज़ें इदारों को मुहैया करे। सोशल मीडिया से मुताल्लिक़ क़वानीन हैं जो पूरी दुनिया में इस्तेमाल होते हैं। उन्होंने
Pakistan Muslim League (PML) leader Talal Chaudhry has said that there were no laws to regulate social media in Pakistan. Speaking in Geo News program Geo Pakistan, Talal Chaudhry said that people are also blackmailed on social media, there should be laws to regulate it.